allows them to move it out. Harnett, good open ice hit as he gets knocked down by Toole.
Good passer, George. He's strong.
There's a big kid.
He is a
right
big
in front. Hedges with one foot, can't make the second one. There's a shot wide open. Oh, I don't want to save by Dean, but then they score on the rebound.
Oh my goodness gracious.
That just failed to connect. And back come the impact. 2-on-1. Small with Corbett. Small to Corbett. Corbett to the backhand. Sprawling out to make the save. Cash Corbett 1-on-1. Corbett has it knocked off his stick, following up on a new pinch. Then it right in front. Big save made. Puck is loose and down, and what a save here by Hogan. Down. Tried to knock it down, and here's a break. Shot scores.
That's the one, George. You can't turn it over in the neutral zone.
That's in trouble here, George. Running around. Tipped in front, they score. There you go. Oh, you called it.
Oh, ring and roll here.
And Rowe shot. Back to Klein with a shot. That's blocked up and out of play. Ryan Small in over the blue line. Small gets hit hard. He gets inside the blue line. Swinging away. Oh, and a big collision outside the blue line. Both players go down. Small's got it.
That's a result of being stood still.
Oh, quick wire in over the blue line. Down into the corner. Back to the point. Great pass for Hokie. Hokie fed it in front. It's tipped. They score. Didn't get a lot on it, but enough to get it in over the blue line.
And that was a beautiful pass
over the goal line. They just rub it. Now with Kelly. Kelly with a shot, scores!
George, that's a play that you see happen through. It's a soft play coming through. Hits his goaltender, Dean going the other way. Great fish shot, back corner.